I started on my husband's side of the vanity because he has a lot less bathroom stuff than I do. I used 2 white baskets that I already had to organize his items into either hair care or oral care. In case anything spilled, I laid down a white cabinet liner to help clean up any messes. Next, I bought clear, shallow containers for our toothbrush drawer. Here, I divided our toothpaste and toothbrush into separate containers and organized all of our floss picks. Hopefully, seeing it easily accessible will help me floss more often. Then I found these little white organizers to organize all of my daily skincare and beauty products. I found a pack of them at the Container Store for $8. In the bottom drawer, I used my new white squares to separate my hair accessories. For the cabinet underneath my sink, I needed to install pull-out drawers so that I could easily reach all of my hair tools and hair products. Since we plan on living in our house for a long time, I decided to screw in the brackets for the pull-out drawers. If you're renting, you can use a regular basket and it will work just the same.